Hey guys, in today's tutorial we will be making an envelope pillow in 3 simple steps. For materials, you will need a pillow form, fabric, thread, a ruler, pins, and a needle. Let's start with measurements. All of your measurements will be based on your pillow size. We are using our 28 by 28 pillow form. To get your fabric amount, multiply your pillow height by 2 and add 6. Our fabric will be 28 by 62. And now you're ready to go. Start by hemming both sides, giving your pillow some nice folded edges. With the front of your fabric facing down, fold the sides of your fabric over towards each other, overlapping them to make a square the width of your desired pillow cover size. Pin those sides and get to sewing. Flip that pillowcase right side out and add your pillow. There you go, 3 easy steps and you're now unstoppable. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.